So I just woke up. We're getting ready to go see my aunt in the hospital. My hair's all wet. I just got out of the shower. And I was standing in the living room, in the kitchen, and I saw the manatee again. So I figured I would come out and show you guys because he's closer. I know that I sound like a complete weirdo, but I'm gonna look up what the meaning of like the power animal of what manatees are, because since she's been in the hospital, I've seen a manatee out here pretty much every day.
Yeah, this time of year is the time of year they come in. This is called a mating canal.
Oh.
Okay, and the reason for that being, I don't have to explain mating, but the reason is that this is a warm area and a protected area. So they come in here to have babies. So they breed and have their babies in this area because it's safe from predators.
That's awesome.
It is awesome. We live in a nature's paradise.
Is this like brackish water or just salt?
Salt. Okay, brackish is on the other side.
So I'm back in the art district. I just left the hospital. Today's my last day here in Miami before I head back home. I'm gonna try to grab a couple of outfits and stuff. I figured that looking at art would try to clear my mind and help me feel a little bit better before I have to get on the road for the next 5 hours. Just been kind of a stressful week, and everything's up in the air still with my aunt. She's still on life support and still no brain activity. But yeah, so I'm down here. I'm walking around the art district, which is in the middle of the hood, and a man just asked me for money for food, and all I have is pennies because I literally just put all my money in the meter so that I don't get my car towed. But I do have like a $20 bill, but I'm not gonna give him a $20 bill, so I told him that I would go over to this restaurant right across the street and get him food. Well, he didn't want me to go across the street and get him food, so apparently he wasn't that hungry. So now I'm just gonna do some shopping and take some video of the art that's down here. I could video art for days. There's probably, I don't know, 30 or 40 blocks just full of graffiti and painted buildings and everything. So yeah, we'll see. I'm not gonna be able to get to everything, but I'll try to video as much as I can. So, oh my gosh, there are so many wholesale places here that they don't sell to the public, only wholesale. But I did find a place that's wholesale and they also sell to the public. So I don't know if you can see this, but I bought a lot of stuff. It's amazing to me the prices difference between wholesale and retail for the public, because everything that I got was $3 each item, but it has the regular price of what like the other stores normally charge. So some of the items are listed all the way up to $50, but I only paid $3 for it. So that just lets you know what a markup it is for clothing in stores.
I remember is actually a South African artist. So again,
yes.
also yeah, a female artist.
No, that was my first.
So the Wynwood building is an official building of the Wynwood area. It's mostly small businesses. One of our major newspapers is also run out of the Wynwood building.
This is where they do Art Basel every year, and people like buy art or buy building spaces, and then they get to paint them. So back in 2008, all of these buildings were completely blank. This didn't exist. So I think like if you go onto like Google Maps history thing or whatever, you can actually see what the buildings used to look like. And it's amazing. I wish that every city had this because it's so beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And the most amazing thing is that these artists that painted these buildings, they went to like actual art school. So I mean, they're like talented people. And on top of that, you know, a lot of places that are like kind of in the hood, so to say, they like tag things, and then you have people that tag over other people's tags, because usually it's a lot of like gang related stuff, or this is my neighborhood, kind of like claiming territory. But all this stuff that's painted, there's like the people that would normally be tagging buildings, it's like they respect the art for what it is, because you don't see this art tagged up. You don't see other graffiti artists or like gang tags or any of that, which I mean, I think that says something in its own, which is kind of incredible that they have respect, you know, for other artists to say like, wow, you know, like your work is good enough that I don't want to destroy it. So I know I wish that every city would kind of embrace this, because not only does it bring people into your city and where they're spending money, but it's just also it's so colorful and vibrant, and I mean, you just can't help but be happy and smile and appreciate it. So yeah, I wish so badly that I could just like gather everybody in the world, or everybody that's like watching this video right now, and bring them here and just let them loose, because honestly, you could walk around here for days, and I really do have to get back to Tampa. I keep procrastinating. It's now after 3 o'clock. I have a 5-hour drive. I'm not going to be home until like 9 o'clock tonight, because I still have to go home or go to my aunt and uncle's and pack my stuff back up. But every time I turn down a different street, I'm like, oh, I gotta photograph this, or I gotta film this, because it's just something else that is mind-blowing and incredible, and